Hi, my name is nhdipper, and we're doing a cooking video. So, now that the water's boiling, finally, we're making beef ramen. Pretty excited about this, so what you want to do is take this, dump it in here, dump one package, and the second package. And then, after that, what you want to do is put a kitchen timer on for 3 minutes. Then, grab you something to stir the ramen with, particularly a spoon. Careful. If your old lady comes at you with a wooden spoon, it means you did something wrong. Watch out, folks. These things are deadly. So, now, stir it. There you go. Set that. Yeah, just like that, and just, you don't want it to stick to the bottom, in other words, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Yep. So while your ramen is cooking, you're going to want to find something to put it in. Me, I always put it in Tupperware. Tupperware. You know? Got all that Tupperware buck, you know what I'm saying? What are we thinking? That might do it. We shall see. Yeah, I think that might do it. Yeah. I don't know. It's a little bit bigger than that. Yeah, no, it's smaller. Very smelly, eh? Yeah, okay. So we'll go with this then. Okay. And then, gotta keep stirring. You want it all to get all up in that shit, you know what I'm saying? And then, keep stirring. Just keep stirring. Just keep stirring. Just keep stirring. What do? We stir. And then, okay, this is where it gets really interesting. And then, you keep stirring. Okay, then, next step, take it off, and then, take your beef packets, and then, you, put them in. And you put the second one on. And then, stir this sumbitch too. Not too fast though. Well, that smells beef-aroni-rific, dude. Well, I eat beef-aroni, though. Beef-arific. That's what you're looking for, folks. Beef-arific. Then you gotta taste test it. You know, you gotta... Okay. Oh, man, that is perfect. But, not too perfect. Because now you gotta add maple bacon. Just a little bit. I had too much in last night and it's kind of, you know, it's a little bit too much, so. Okay. And now, take a handy dandy bowl. Look at that, folks. Perfect. Perfect. Oh my goodness. Superb. Magnifico. That's what we're looking here. Yep. And there you have it, folks. And there, it's how you make beef ramen. Yes, sir. Now, you wait for it to cool off, and then you eat it. Alright, folks, this has been Cooking with nhdipper.